Hi there and welcome to another tutorial for the INKAS CBQ system. Today we are showing an app that lets you maintain the parts list generated when a user utilizes their product configurator. A variant has been configured. It all begins in the cockpit area. I have already chosen my product version using the version selector. You can discover how I accomplished it in the tutorial that is linked. After selecting the product version, I open the RuleDesigner in the cockpit. In the RuleDesigner, I have already maintained the entire rule set of my product. In this case, my product is an e-bike. You can find out how I did it in the linked tutorial. Now I want to maintain all material numbers that will appear in the bill of materials of a configured product later. To do this, I open BOM Editor via the toolbar is located in the RuleDesigner interface for easy access and navigation. Cannot delete first 7 columns as they represent minimum requirements. Use the lower button New Line to add. I append a new line to the bill of materials table in order to add more information. In my situation, the e-bike product features 2 distinct rubber saddles, namely a black rubber saddle and a gray rubber saddle. I take these 2 positions. Depending on which saddle is chosen in the configuration, only one of these positions is part of the parts list. Hence, we include the relevant rules. To add, right-click above the rule on the table row. I always add 1 rule per line, ensuring clarity and organization in my work. If color is black and material is rubber, then position 001 is included in the parts list. If the selected color is gray and the material is rubber, then the position is Euro 2. Part of the bill of materials, an essential document that provides a comprehensive list of all the components and parts necessary for the construction of a product. I have added extra rows in an Excel spreadsheet for further preparation. I have the capability to import this item by utilizing the bill of materials feature located in the load menu of the system. Currently, my bill of materials is completed. In order to choose a line, I simply perform a right-click on it. To edit, duplicate, or delete. Erase, I make use of the icons in order to carry out my tasks and complete them efficiently, as they provide visual representations that aid in navigation and enhance the user experience of the application. I can search for all table contents using the search bar located above the table by inputting keywords. To search columns, use search fields for each column. Tutorial for the Bill of Materials editor in the RuleDesigner of the INKAS product suite. Thank you for watching.